What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike. And on today's episode, we're gonna start block sanding the entire kit car. So stay tuned, check it out. Holy dokely. First things first, let's go ahead and pull the car out of the carport so we can access all sides easily and start block sanding. Alright guys, we've got the car pulled out from the carport, so I'm ready to get all my supplies that I need, my sandpaper, my sanding block, orbital sander, whatever else I might need for the sanding job. So let's go ahead and grab those tools that we're going to need to start sanding and start block sanding. It's going to be a boring, long job, so I'm just going to kind of put the camera down and get a couple different shots. But yeah, it's a lengthy process. Let's just go ahead and get after it. So guys, forgot my mask, so I'm gonna have to make a trip, go get my mask so I can start sanding because I don't want to be breathing this stuff in. So let's go down to the sea can. I need a coffee too, so it'll be a worthwhile trip. Let's go get my mask. So we're just getting down to where the shipping container is right now. I got my mask and some other tools I can grab while I'm down here. So let's go ahead, open up the gate, grab what we need, go back home. I do have a coffee though, that's good news. Just making my way down to my shipping container to grab all the stuff that we need. It's pretty close to home, so it's not too big of a trip. Good news was I was able to get my coffee, and I hope I have my keys. Come on, baby. Yes, bingo. I was gonna show you the other kit car, but apparently it just didn't want to be seen. There you have it. There's a Ferrari 355 replica I'm working on. Let's make some room, try to get back there and find the mask. Crap. Got all these old snowboards blocking my toolbox where the mask is. So I think I'm gonna have to move all these snowboards in order to get the mask. Well, it is what it is. I moved a couple of snowboards, found my filters, and look, I can almost get the drawer fully open without having to move all my compressor and snowboards. So let's go ahead and try to squeeze these both out of here. Come on, baby. Oh, filters are stuck. Come on. Yes! There's one. Oh, I almost lost it. Got it. There's one. Grab the other one as well. Just in case I have a friend helping me sand. There it is. Mask number 2. Booyah, Grandma. We got both the masks. Let's go ahead, go back home. So I was just having a look around in the shipping container for anything else that I might need to use for the car, some other tools or whatever. I did find this, however. Boom. I think it's a fiberglass repair kit. This will come in handy for the front lip. Oh, everything's soaked right now. The fiberglass, resin, hardener. That's gonna save me like 24 bucks, 30 bucks. Bring that back with us. Score! Holy dokely, guys. We got everything we need, plus the coffee. Let's go back home, start the long process of block sanding. Tomorrow is the Hubolt Diamond Rally. They make their way up from Vancouver to Squamish to Pemberton every year. It brings out some incredible supercars and exotic cars. Damon Fryer from Daily Driven Exotics is going to be there tomorrow with a Ferrari 458 or something like that. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to swing by there tomorrow, check out all the cars. So in the next video, probably this week, you guys will see some of that content. So make sure to hit that notification button. That way when I drop that video, you guys can get a sneak peek of all those cars in that rally. clouds are starting to roll in. Hopefully we can start sanding and beat the rain. Making some great progress. Just looking at some of the body lines here. So I'm starting to sand down this quarter panel here, and as you can see, this is a flat spot here, but then it rolls up and has a dip right here. So getting it with the orbital, I can't get in there, so I'm having to block this so I get it nice and smooth and equal the whole way along. This is the wide body version, the Koenig. So the Testarosas are flat. The difference between the Koenigs, they're wide body. So yeah, keep going ahead. I'll sand all the rocker panels down here, and then I can start cleaning everything up and get ready for all the body filler and fiberglassing I'm gonna have to do for all the cracks and everything else. Well guys, it's taken quite some time to get it sanding down to this point, but we finally got it all scuffed down on the driver's side. So I'm gonna walk around, probably start hitting the front bumper. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side, and then I'm hoping that this weekend I can complete all the sanding. That way I can lay down some primer onto the car, and then I'll reblock it again and get ready for paint. So I got the whole side of the car sanded down. Driver's side is complete. Tomorrow we'll move on to the passenger side of the car, block sand this side, and then I can go around, start doing all the body work, fixing all the cracks, fixing all the gaps, and then I'll go around and break all the edging and get it ready for primer. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.